Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by giving Zira the manage roles and read messages permissions. This lets it assign roles. Once done, create the role you want and a dedicated channel for reaction roles. Now, send the message you want users to react to and use the first command, Z, add or the / equivalent, to link a reaction emoji to that role. You're doing the setup and initiating the mapping. This step ensures Zira can both see the message and apply the correct role when someone reacts. Next, you define exactly how reactions behave. Pick the emoji, map it to the target role, and choose whether users can select multiple roles or only one. Then customize the display text so users know what each reaction means and set any limits, like max roles per user or exclusive groups. Once configured, make sure to order reactions logically so users don't get confused. Finally, test the reaction flow with your own account to confirm Zira assign. To finish, lock down channel permissions so only intended messages are used for role assignment and make Zira's role higher than the roles it will assign. That hierarchy is crucial. Monitor activity and use Z, help or Z, logs to inspect errors if things go wrong. If a user doesn't receive a role, check Zira's role position, the bot's permissions, and whether the emoji used is supported. One troubleshooting tip: move Zira above the roles it must manage. Often that single change resolves most assignment failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.